In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify Favicon not showing up in Google search. If your Shopify Favicon is not appearing in search results, the issue is often related to the image not being set correctly in your live theme. The good news is that updating it is very simple, and in most cases it only takes a minute. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store settings, products, and design. Once you are inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. Then click Themes. This will take you to the page where you can manage the appearance of your store. On the Themes page, find your active live theme. This is the theme that is currently being used on your storefront. Next to that theme, click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can update visual settings for your store. Once the editor loads, look to the left sidebar and click the Theme Settings icon. This is the gear icon. Theme settings control broader visual elements across your site, including branding items like your logo and favicon. After that, click Logo. In this section, you will see the favicon image area. This is where you upload the small icon that represents your store in browser tabs and can also appear in Google search results. Make sure the file you upload is a compliant square image. A square image is important because favicons display best when the height and width are equal. Using a clean, simple image usually gives the best result, especially at small sizes. Upload your favicon image in the favicon image section. If you already have one there, you can replace it with an updated version if needed. Once the image is in place, click Save in the top right corner. This confirms the change and applies it to your live theme. After saving, keep in mind that Google does not always update search results instantly. It may take some time for Google to recrawl your site and show the new favicon. So if you do not see the change right away, that is normal. The important part is making sure the correct favicon is uploaded and saved in your active Shopify theme. That covers everything you need to know.